Wow, my dudes, those are birria tacos. They've got beef in it and cheese. Totally amazing. It's really nice. I miss it. Now, thinking about this, it just gave me an idea. For this episode, I'm going to do something different, something new. I'm gonna cook pork tapa and mix veggies for lunch. Pretty basic. So let's go. First step, I put on my apron. Then I pound. I pound on the garlic. And I mince them into small bits. Then I mince some more. Then we chop some onions for added flavor. I cut a quarter of pork into small thin pieces. And then I wash my cleaver. And then I clean my workplace for a bit because cleanliness is next to godliness. And then I put my meat in the bowl and I wash my hands to be clean. And then I put 1/4 teaspoon of baking soda so that my meat will be tender. And then I massage my meat. Then I put a little more baking soda. Then I massage my meat again. Then I put my premium soy sauce. Of course, it's datu puti. Baka naman. And I let my meat sit for a while. After that, I prepare my mixed veggies. So we could get to be a little healthy sometimes. We'll need to boil this for 5 minutes. Then I put oil on the pan and saute garlic. Now we're going to fry our meat. And scrape what's ever left on the bowl. Now I'm adding a bit more oil so we could fry it better. Now I'm just stirring my meat on the pan. Stir frying. It's a lot of fun.
Dito.
Hindi tayo abutan dito. Now we cover the pan so it'll cook faster. And it's done. It's a good one. Mixed veggies also done. I just cooked them in butter and garlic. Terrific. Now it's time to set up the table. We're almost ready to eat. Here's the rice. It's extra nice. There you have it, my dudes. Garlicky pork tapa with buttered mixed veggies. Served with plain rice and made with a lot of love. Of course. Now this meal is 98% nanay approved. Sounds just about right. I had a lot of fun. I hope you did too. Catch you again on my next episode. Until then, stay classy and stay away from drugs. Thanks for watching.